Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt, home ownership, all those good things. So in today's video, I'm going to be completing my budget for the month of November. We are 2 more months, guys. We only have 2 more months to the end of the year. And I have changed the way that I budget. I still do a paycheck to paycheck budget, but I'm budgeting with my bill account. So if you want to know more about that, I definitely encourage you to keep on watching. If you're new here, I hope that you consider subscribing, hitting that notification bell so that you know anytime I upload a new video. Guys, I have some really exciting things coming up for the month of November. If you are a returning gem, welcome back. I'm so excited to see you again and talk to you in the comments. But like I said, I have some really exciting things coming up in November. To give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek, I'm going to be giving you an Etsy shop update that you want to be here for. I'm also going to be completing my debt repayment plan, and I'm going to be doing it with you. So if you are looking to set up a plan to pay off your debt, you definitely want to be plugged in. I'm going to be counting my savings challenges, you guys. I'm ending them a little bit earlier because I want to start shopping now. So we really want to see how much I saved for 2021. I think that's what we're in. If you did not catch my video last year to see how much money I saved, I definitely encourage you to check that out before checking this one out. And there are just going to be some other videos, some other updates, some house updates. A lot of you guys really want to see what I've done with the house so far, letting you guys know like things to look out for. It's just going to be jam-packed. Make sure that you are plugged in. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and explain the budget in a little bit more detail. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera over and let's get to going on our budgets. And listen, wait, don't flip yet. If you haven't started your budget for the month of November, I definitely encourage you to stop the video, go get your budget book, line paper, whatever it is that you do your budget with, and then you can do it with me. If you need to replay it, replay it. If you need to ask me questions in the comments, because listen, the bottom line is you need a budget. And if you are struggling with your budget to get it right, we're going to get it right before 2021. We're not or 2022. We're not waiting until the new year. We're not about that life. We recognize things and we fix it immediately. We're not waiting for Monday. We're not waiting for the new month. We're not waiting for the new year. We're doing it now. So, flipping this camera over. The very first thing that I like to do is start out with a monthly calendar so that I can see my month fully. When doing this, it's easier for me to see what I have coming up as it relates to monthly bills and expenses. I use bill due stickers to indicate when I have bills due, or maybe when I have something abnormal come up like a birthday that happens once a year, or Christmas as we know, or Thanksgiving since we're in the month of November. I then use my payday stickers so that I know when I am paid and what bills will be coming out of that paycheck. I do this just so I have a visual on how my month is going to be treating me, good or hefty.
This is a new phase, game change, flying by in real time, catching a deep wave at the right pace. Seeing with bright eyes, I'm not looking for a reason. I'm giving up control. I'm not shying from my pieces on my own. Let it show. Take the time to conversate.
so to kind of go ahead and discuss my budget for the month and all of the bills that I have, we're gonna go ahead and dive deep into that. So if you haven't checked out my budget to kind of see how I've revamped my budget, I'm actually budgeting out of my checking account. My checking account is where I have all of my bill money, okay? So I am budgeting $5,800 for the month. And I also put my YouTube check here. However, I actually should not have put that there because I use my YouTube check. I have been using it in the past for business expenses, but there is a little bit of a change to my business, which make sure that you are subscribed because I will talk a little bit about that in another video. But I did include it. However, I may not actually use it. I might just use it for only business. So I'm gonna be paying my tithes. Once again, I do not reveal how much I pay in my tithes. Or how much I give in my tithes. Now my HOA is $280 for the month. My cell phone is $90 for the month. $20 of this my daughter pays. However, we know how that goes. She doesn't pay me every month and I have to remind her that she needs to pay me. So if I forget, I have paid the entire bill. So I just put the $90 there just in case I forget, for her to reimburse me for her portion of the bill. ADT is $79. Cable and internet is $120. Once again, I am reimbursed from my job $60 of this $120, so I'm actually only going to be paying $60. However, I just put the $160 because that will be coming, I'm sorry, the $120 because that will be coming out of my account. My water bill, I am predicting $80. My Edison bill, I do have an Edison bill. However, currently I have a credit on there of $75 and for some reason I don't receive an Edison bill. Yeah, my solar bill, I'm predicting $100. My insurance bill, $105. My MasterCard is $0. I don't have a bill. My Chase credit card, the minimum payment is $29. My Macy's credit card, the minimum payment is $29. My SoCal gas is $40, which I'm predicting, and then my Apple credit card is $200 for the month. Now let's go down to our cash envelopes. These are the cash envelopes that I pretty much actively use. Groceries, $300 for the month. Gas, $240. Y'all, gas is high. I'm in California and gas is $5 just for a regular unleaded. But I have to get number 90, the highest grade is what I have to get because of the car that I have. I mean, I know I can put the lowest grade, but it runs better and it was recommended because I have a V8, V6, V8, one of those. However, it's over $5 a gallon. So $240 is what I have allocated for gas. Toiletries is $60 for the month. Household, $60 for the month. Eating out, $100 for the month. And allowance, $50 of the month for the month. This is something that definitely is variable. I can adjust this based upon how I feel once I complete my actual paycheck budget. If I feel like I don't want an allowance, I will not take an allowance out, but I just have it here just in case. Okay, and so sinking funds, auto care $50, clothes $50, car registration $30 for the month, hair $100 for the month, holidays $40 for the month. We know we're entering into holiday season. Car wash $60 for the month. Nails $80 for the month. Trash $32 for the month. Home maintenance, this actually should be $40, but I'm just gonna leave $20 here. And then job petty fund is $5. So total sinking funds, $462 for the month, leaving us with $3,526 left over for the month. Now, I can tell you, I don't know what the amount will be just yet, but I do plan on creating my debt repayment plan and my strategy, and definitely some of this is going to go toward that. So once again, I got some really exciting things coming up in the month of November and December. So please make sure that you are subscribed, hit the notification bell so that you know when I do upload a video. All right, you guys, so that is my entire budget for the month of November. Not too much stuff going on, but you can see that I am getting paid only 2 times this month, but I'm really excited because I do receive my quarterly bonus this particular month. And then we got, November. We know November is Black Friday and the holidays is coming up, and I'm really entering into a happy season. I love Thanksgiving, I love Christmas, so I'm just really excited about my budget. I'm really excited about starting that debt repayment plan even during holiday time. So I really want to show you how you're able to do that and do it effectively. Now, I have been saving for the holidays, so but we're definitely going to talk about that when I complete that video. So make sure that you are plugged in. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. We are on a quest to hit 15,000 subscribers before the year is over, and I know that we can do it. So smash that subscribe button. Send this to your friends and family and all that good stuff. But thank you guys so much for tuning in with me today, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
Hands up in the air, dance up, move our bodies. Hands up, we don't care. Everybody swaying all night. Hands up in the air, dance up, move our bodies. Hands up, we don't care. Everybody swaying. I got your attention, look in my direction. Let's cut through the tension.